Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you English through a simple story. This story is easy to understand, and you will also learn useful daily English sentences. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. My name is Ali. I am a simple boy. I live in a small village. Every morning, I wake up early and say, "Good morning," to my family. Then I eat breakfast and go outside to help my father in the garden. One day, I saw a small bird on the ground. It looked weak. I asked, "Are you okay, little bird?" Then I decided to take care of it. Repeat after me. Good morning. Are you okay? I will help you. These are simple sentences. You can use them every day. I brought the bird home. I gave it water and food. Slowly, the bird became strong. Every day, I talked to the bird. I said, "Don't be afraid. I am your friend." After a few weeks, the bird could fly again. I felt very happy. I said, "Goodbye, little friend. Fly high." Repeat after me. I am your friend. Don't be afraid. Fly high. These sentences are very useful. You can talk to friends or family using them. This story teaches us two things. Always help those in need. Learn English by using simple sentences every day. Even small efforts make a big difference, and practicing English with stories makes learning fun. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the story. Remember, repeat these sentences every day. Try to speak English with your friends and family. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Goodbye.